Morning students, this is Sarika Ahuja, your maths teacher from Bright Scholar Senior Secondary School, Sonipat. Today we are going to start our new chapter that is known as statistics. In class 9, you all learnt the classification of given data into ungrouped as well as grouped frequency distribution. You also learned the three measures of central tendency such as mean, mode and median of ungrouped data. In this chapter also, we are going to study the three measures of central tendency, naming as mean, mode and median, but of group data. First of all, we are going to study only mean, and there are three methods to find out the mean, naming as direct method, assume mean method and step deviation method. You all can see that I have written the three formulas also on the board, and you all have to copy these formula in your notebook. Let us first take one example, I would say, and solve it by the method of direct. Till then, I would like to ask you everybody to take out your exercise 14.1. I hope you are ready with your books. Let us see question number 3 first. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of the children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. In this question, the mean is already given to me. Find the missing frequency f, and I have to find out the missing frequency. So let us see first, that is exercise, I would say 14.1. It is question number 3. Now in this question, I have in direct method, I would say I have to make the 4 columns. The first column means that is class intervals, which are written as CI. The second means FI, means frequency. The third column stands for XI, which is known by class marks, and you have done the formula of class marks in class 9th also. Let us revise this also once again. And the last column will be of FI, XI. So in direct method, how many columns? 4. The first column class intervals, the second column will be of FI, XI and FI, XI. Let us copy all the class intervals from the book, that is 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23 and 23 to 25. Now let us copy all the frequencies also, that is 7, 6, 9, 13, F, 5 and 4. Now as I told you that you have done XI in your class 9 also, and the formula for the XI is upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. As you can see in the first class interval, 13 is the upper limit and 11 is the lower limit. So we are going to add these two numbers and dividing by 2. By adding these two numbers, 11 and 13, I get 24, and 24 divided by 2 is equal to, that is 12. So you can see I have got the class interval. In the very same way, I will get the next interval 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Coming to the next interval, that is FI, XI, means I have to multiply the column of FI with the column of XI. Let us multiply. 7 multiplied by 12 is equal to 84. 6 multiplied by 14 is equal to 84. Similarly, by multiplying this, I will get 144, 234. F multiplied by 20 is equal to 20F. Multiplying by these two, I will get these numbers. Got it? Now coming to the calculation part. The tabular part is complete, and now the calculation part, that is mean. Now you can see the formula of mean is direct method, that is summation FI, XI upon summation FI. Summation, sum means add. It means I have to add the column of Fi xi. Fi xi the column I have to add and I have to insert the value in this formula. Similarly, summation Fi means I have to add the column of Fi and whatever the value is going to come, I have to insert in this formula. Let us add 84 plus 84 plus 144 plus 234 plus 110 plus 96. I will get 752 plus this, that is 20. Similarly, coming to this, that is 7, 6, 9, 13, 5, 4. I will get by adding these 44 and plus F. So you can see that I have find out the summation of both the columns just to now to insert it. Let us rub it. Once again, I am going to write this formula in the middle of the board. That is mean is equal to summation Fi xi upon summation Fi. Now, the mean, it is already given to me. You can see the mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. So, mean is already given to me, that is 18. Now, summation Fi xi is 752 plus 20F. Summation Fi is 44 plus F. Now, I have to find out the missing frequency, and to find out the missing frequency, let us cross multiply. When 18 is multiplied with 44 plus F, and here 752 plus 20F, nothing is there, so it means 1. 18 multiplied by 44 is 792. 18 multiplied by F is equal to 18F is equal to 752 plus 20F. When 18F will go this side, it will become 20 minus 18F, which is equal to 2F. And 752 will go this side and the sign will become negative. So 792 minus 752 is equal to 40. 40 is equal to 2F. So F is equal to 20. So you can see that I have find out the value of F by the means of direct method. So in my next video, we are going to study the assume mean method. So till then, your homework is to do question number 1, 3 and question number 8 by the means of direct method. I hope this method is clear to you. If you feel any query, you can contact on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.